Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. As you know, me, I am following soccer. Thembinkosi Lorch bafethu just scored his third goal of the season, plus one assist in 6 matches bafethu. This is the best form Lorch currently since adlala ibhola bafethu, from Pirates to Sundowns, yeah, to yona le Wydad Casablanca. This is his best form. Mind you, bafethu, best form yakazwane, it was when under 30 kuyaphezulu up until now. So abantu mabathi ulaunch umdala, ulaunch umdala, that's why Hugo Bruce angambizi, asafuna abantu abamdala. Makana 30 this year or 31 this year ulaunch uzwane, in which i-prime yakazwane ifike makana 30. You can check. Prime yakazwane ku-Sundowns iqale sekana 30. Before bekadlala bekayiplayer, but i-prime yakhe ibe makana 30. I guess beku-2000 and 2018. Yeah, somewhere up around 2018, 2019. So if abantu bangafuni uLorch anikwe i-chance esquadini, in which sambona ukuthi uyayideserve i-chance lapha esquadini bafethu, it's not fair bafethu. Just because usukile kwama-team amanye akusafanele umntwana abantu angene esquadini. I think Hugo Bruce needs to check i-criteria yokubiza abadlali, because yena uyakhona ukubiza abadlali abangadlali emathimini wabo, ababize ku-national team bazodlala, abo ba-to be overs. Bekangadlali umbizile soyadlala ku-Sundowns, but ucheck makubuya ubani uTeboho Mokoena angeke adlale ba-two overs, kuyocala uMokoena, but kwi-squad uzoba akhona. Nabo abo-Lorch, they are playing bafethu, they are playing. Hayi bafethu, Lorch is doing great bafethu. Anyway, Lorch is doing great bafethu. I think angasabuya eSouth Africa uLorch for i-career yakhe. He still have maybe good 5 years. Good 5 years. Yeah bafethu, congratulations to Nyoso.